Welcome to Zurich.
Today we are taking you with us in Zurich and we are going to show you the best things you should do in this city.
We are staying in the old town and it's actually a great place to start your tour of the city.
Let's go, guys.
If you are new here, we are Mansoureh and Bruno, an Iranian and Italian couple. In the last video, we showed you how much things actually cost in Zurich. But this video is all about things to do, see and eat in Zurich. Let's head to the old town, the historic heart and one of the most romantic places in Zurich.
The old town is full of nice little cobbled streets, which remind me a lot of Italy and other European cities as well. I guess the main difference is how clean these streets are, which is quite amazing for me to see.
I think this was just a cable car and they're not working anymore and they brought it here and it became like a table for a restaurant. Zurich is a walkable city. I mean, you don't need to use public transport. You can easily walk to all of the attractions and see the city by walking. For the great view of the city, we have to climb to the Tower of Grossmunster. If I am pronouncing it right or wrong, I'm not sure. It's a church and we should climb the stairs and go top of the tower. Actually, this is the two-way tower and it's really narrow. It's really tricky because some people are coming down and we are going up. I think this is the final stage. It is kind of disappointing because I thought that we could actually have a great view, but because of I don't know what it is, this kind of door we can't go out and our view is kind of blocked. And to get here you need to buy a ticket which is 5 Swiss francs. If you want to have a great view of the old town, actually you can come here in Lindenhof. Here you can see it for free. I mean, you don't have to pay anything and free of charge you can enjoy the view. On a restaurant was a bit challenging today. I think because it's Saturday and it's quite busy and there were a lot of events like weddings and some of the restaurants they were fully booked for the events, but finally we found one and we couldn't go inside. We have to sit outside. Hopefully it's not going to rain. And we ordered some Swiss dishes. I can't pronounce the name of them, but I will write it down here and you will see how they look like. This is one of the typical Swiss dish. It's a veal sausage and Bruno ordered something with pork sausage. Both dishes are served with potato salad and mine actually served with onions. Let's try it and see how it is. And because usually I don't order sausages, I am not a fan of sausages, but let's try. It tastes really good and actually I think I like it. Usually I don't like sausages because you feel the fat, but this is not fatty and I like it. And let's try the potato salad. Amazing! Wow! Buen appetito! Next to the Zurich Lake, you can find the Opera House and the big square. I can't pronounce the name, it's quite like long and hard to pronounce it. And it's beautiful because there are some chairs with umbrella and you can just sit here. There is an ice cream shop, you can buy ice cream and eat, and it's quite good and relaxing.
And again, I am shocked by how clean and tidy this square is. It's unbelievable.
There are some spots on the lake where you can go actually for a swim. This lake is filled with fresh water and the water is clean. So don't worry, if you're here and you want to just get wet and you love swimming, you can do it here. Some scuba divers in the lake and they are trying to clean the lake. I talked to one of them. She was saying that it's really hard because the visibility is really poor and it's hard to clean the lake. Apparently this happened once a year at the end of August. Scuba divers come to the lake and for cleaning. They go deep and they take all the rubbish out. I mean, when I'm talking about cleaning the lakes, you are wondering like plastic bottles, cans and everything, but actually we were shocked to see what they found inside the lake, like chairs, bicycles. I don't know who dumped them in the lake. It's quite weird. We are going to take a cruise and it should be 1 hour cruise going around the lake and we have only 2 minutes. And we can buy a ticket on the boat, which is good. The ticket for 1 hour mini cruise actually is 680 Swiss francs. This cruise is not actually a touristy thing to do. Local use these mini cruise or other cruises as a public transport. There are some stops on the way. We are not alighting, we are not getting off the boat, and we are just going around the lake and we are going back to the same spot. I think this is the best way to see the lake because the lake is so huge and you can't walk around the lake all the way. And it's rainy. It's better to be somewhere indoors. Switzerland is famous for having the best chocolate in the world. So when you're in Zurich, you can try some of the best Swiss chocolate here.
Last but not least, when you are in Zurich, you must try fondue, a Swiss melted cheese dish.
It's hot.
I think I'm going to bury myself.
Same as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
I'm actually a little bit upset, if not pissed, because we just got 1 liter of still water and they charged us 9 francs 50, which is like almost 8 pounds for a liter of water. That's not great.